In this video, we'll show you how to replace the scraper plate on your Greenworks 22-inch snow thrower. This guide can be followed for all the 60-volt and 80-volt models. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. The battery should always be removed before performing any maintenance. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Tools required. You will need an 8mm wrench. Let's get started. Fold the handle down and tilt the unit so that it is resting on the lower handle. Be careful not to damage the cam levers. Remove the nuts and bolts securing the scraper with an 8mm wrench. You may need to rotate the impeller as you go in order to reach and remove each screw. Remove the old scraper plate and discard. Install the new scraper plate. Reinstall the nuts and bolts. Finish tightening the nuts using the wrench. Return the unit to the upright position. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow thrower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.